In front of me is Samsung Galaxy S9 and today I would like to show you how you can select and delete multiple photos at once. First of all, open Gallery and tap on Pictures, All Albums. Then locate all of your photos that you wish to delete. If you selected Pictures, hold the chosen one. Click on this dot at the top left corner, and to exclude some of your photos that you wish to keep, click on them. If you decided to ping albums, tap on the chosen one, hold one of your photos, and click on this dot with all under it, also at the top left corner. You can keep some of your photos by clicking on it as well. I will go with this one. Then to delete the rest from Photos or Albums section, just hit Delete at the bottom and confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!